I almost ignored Sakana Fugu. The name sounded interesting, but honestly, I thought it was just another AI project with a cool website and big promises. And let's be real, the AI world is full of those right now. Every week, there's a new tool claiming it's going to change everything. Most of them don't. So I decided to spend some time with Sakana Fugu and figure out what it actually does. And here's the weird part. The thing that surprised me wasn't the technology, it was the idea behind it. The first mistake I made was treating Fugu like a normal AI chatbot. It's not. It's not trying to compete with ChatGPT. It's not trying to replace Claude. And it's definitely not another Ask Me Anything assistant. The entire idea is different. Fugu feels more like an experimental system that's trying to make AI agents work together instead of relying on one giant model to do everything. And honestly, that's pretty fascinating. Because in theory, multiple specialized agents working together could solve problems better than one general purpose AI. At least that's the big idea. Then I started testing it. Simple tasks, research, planning, problem solving. And I quickly realized something. This isn't a tool for everyone, not even close. If you're expecting instant answers and a polished experience, you'll probably be confused. Actually, I was confused at first too. The second thing nobody tells you is that Sakana Fugu feels more like a glimpse of where AI is going rather than a finished product. That's important because I think a lot of people will sign up expecting magic. What you actually get is something more experimental. And for certain people, that's exciting, especially developers, researchers, and people who love testing new AI ideas. The next thing I noticed is that this tool rewards curiosity. The more I experimented, the more interesting it became. But if you only spend 5 minutes with it, you might walk away wondering what the hype is about. And honestly, I think that's why opinions on Fugu are all over the place. Some people love it, some people don't get it at all. Now, here's my honest take. If you're a casual user who just needs an AI assistant, there are easier tools out there, probably better ones too. But if you're a founder, an AI enthusiast, a developer, or someone obsessed with where artificial intelligence is heading next, Sakana Fugu is worth paying attention to. Not because it's perfect, not because it's replacing your current tools, but because it's experimenting with ideas that could become much bigger in the future. So what nobody tells you before using Sakana Fugu is this. You're not really using a finished product, you're getting an early look at a different way of thinking about AI. And honestly, that's what made this tool interesting to me. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.